Alright, I'm gonna attempt putting this wood thing together. Just like what my dad and I did earlier. I put Gorilla Tape just for secure, make it more secure. I did this last night. I put Gorilla Tape on this side. I'm gonna do this for a double security. Not security, but more stableness. Alright, did 2 of them. I'm gonna try to videotape before I do this one. Put this here and I use one hand. Twist and turn. Twist and turn. Guess it's not videotaping. What's up with that? My glasses, camera glasses, but it came handy. I'm waiting for a good deal on it. It's $59. Bought it at $130, $120. So I'm gonna wait till it's halfway since I lost it. Okay.